Hi everyone, my name's Stuart. I'm the General Manager at Kairos Food Rescue. We rescue food, feed people and build community.
And I'm Chris Dearsley, local business owner with Harrison Solar in Canterbury. We're electrifying the New Zealand economy with renewable energy solutions.
So here at Kairos, we found our energy bills were going up and up and up. We've got a large warehouse, we shipped a lot of food, 70 tonne a month, and it was costing us a fortune to run our power. We applied to the Meridian Decarb Energy Community Fund, and they gave us money for solar panels. At this point, we needed to pick a supplier. And for us, we chose Harrison's. Out of the companies we went and got quotes from, they sat down with us. They found out what we did. They worked out what the best system would be for our organisation and how we work during the daytime, and we're closed at night. So for us, we chose solar. It was a way of getting our energy costs down. We're able to charge our EVs as they go out and collect food, and it's lowered our energy bill.
So here at Kairos, we installed 40 premium ICO solar panels on the roof into a 15 kilowatt Fronius inverter with a comprehensive Fronius monitoring system that will show you generation on the roof that you're getting from the sun and the consumption that's being used in Kairos as an organisation. We expect the system to cover 50% of the annual energy requirements of Kairos. The panels are on track to generate 20,000 kilowatt hours per year, which is $4,000 of energy every single year for the next 25 plus years. This will allow Kairos to spend more money on their core needs and hedge them against rising power prices. Harrison's will take care of the process from start to finish. We're able to help our commercial, charity and community groups by requesting their consumption information from their energy supplier, inputting it into a very clever piece of software, and that allows us to really nail down the right size system and the benefits you can expect for the next 25 plus years.
The best part of this whole process has actually been working with Chris from Harrison's. He's really sat down with us, he spent time and invested time in us so that we can know how to use the system well and get all the benefits from it. So for Kairos, it's been an amazing experience working with Harrison's, giving us renewable energy off our roof, able to charge our vans and give us power during the daytime in our warehouse.
And Harrison's is proud to partner with Kairos. We look forward to seeing the system performing for the next 25 plus years.